Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install Bluestacks 10 on Windows 11, so let's get started. First, you have to open your browser and search for Bluestacks. Open the one from bluestacks.com. Once you are on this website, you will be able to see the download button straight away. If you want to see the previous versions, you can click on See All Versions here. I'm just going to click on this download button, which is going to start the download. Once it's downloaded, just click on the file. When the Bluestacks installer starts your Windows, it's going to give you this kind of message, which we will click on yes. It will then check your system. After that, just click on Install Now button. And if you want, you can also customize this installation. It will download some files first, and then it's going to start the installation process. So once Bluestacks is installed, you will be able to see that icon on your desktop, and then you will see also the Bluestacks is running on the taskbar. If you open up Bluestacks, you can see that it appears just like this, and you can start using and downloading apps from here. That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!